Here's my next item of business. There's a little interior touch-up that's been needed on this CL that I'm going to take care of today. So you'll remember this guy as the same skilled technician who worked on my SLX seats. He also did some stuff on my Vigor previously. If you notice, and I already removed the console lid here, the lid on the CL has a little bit of weird leather sort of warping here. The color is mismatched here. I could have this thing re-dyed by someone else, but I kind of just want to have the whole thing reupholstered in a matching color. There's also that tear. So let's drop it off. Welcome back. About a week later, the armrest is ready to reinstall into the CL. Look how amazing it looks. Perfect stitching, color combination and everything. So I'm very happy with the work that Trim Fit did for me. And the reinstall is complete. Check that thing out. Perfection. It's a beautiful Sunday morning and I'm taking the CL for a few spots of paintless dent removal. Fitting that my technician that works on the car lives in a community called the New Legend. Someone commented on alignment of the exhaust tips, so I actually took care of that. It just was a matter of bending one of them down to align with the other. The other thing I'm gonna work on today real quick is I got a delivery yesterday from Automotive Touch-Up. So I picked up a little bottle of the R81 Milano Red. This random spot right here needs to be touched up, so I'm gonna hit that real quick. There we go. It's not perfect, but at least it's not a black spot right in the middle of the back bumper. Okay, finished with that process. So I've completed going through it with Simple Green high concentrate, followed by a wipe down and some Speed Shine from Griot's Garage just to get the gunk off, followed by last step, a coat of One Step Cleaner Wax. It's definitely not perfect, but this engine bay didn't need much to begin with. So I'm pretty happy with how that turned out overall. I think this car, just about from a restoration perspective, is about ready.